In this video, I'll show you how to find deleted apps on your iPhone. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. There are two different ways you can go and find deleted apps on your iPhone, and it's going to go and depend how you went and originally deleted them. So, for example, if you went and deleted it by removing it from your home screen by doing this, so hold on the app like so, and then press remove app, and then go and press on remove from home screen. If you did that, the app is actually still on your phone. You didn't fully delete it. So if you then swipe across your app library, you can then go and search for Spotify. And as you can see, it's actually still on your phone. I could go and open it up and I could just go and add it back to my home screen. All you need to do is hold your finger on the app and then press add to home screen, and it's now back. However, if you actually went and fully deleted the app by holding your finger on it like so, and then you pressed on remove app and then delete app, then this means your app is actually been deleted from your phone. So to go and find in that case, then all you need to do is go and open up the App Store like so and wait for it to load. And then what we can do is go and view your download history on your phone. So to do that, you then just need to tap on your profile picture in the top right of the App Store. I've personally got a custom profile picture, but you may have a blank sort of grey one. And then once you're in the account page, you can then go and tap on purchased. Even if it's a free app, it's still going to appear here. And then what you can do is scroll down this list here until you go and come across the app. You could also go and select not on this iPhone, because this means it's only going to show apps which aren't currently on your iPhone, which it won't be if you went and deleted it. So then just scroll through here until you go and come across the app, and then you can go and re-download it. As you can see here, it's got this cloud icon with a download button, and this means that you've previously had the app before, and you can go and re-download it again for free, even though the app's free anyway, or if you paid for it, it's going to be free again because you've already paid for it. If you guys found this video useful, please leave a like. Peace.